In order to activate the hands-free power liftgate option, we would need to get to the settings option right there. Now, in order to get there, we will need to come down right here and then use this option bar. We'll have to rotate this towards right side and come all the way down right there. Once we are to the settings option right there, then we need to press this button downwards to get to the settings option inside. Just like that. Now inside the settings, notice a little down is the vehicle settings. We'll click on that. Then get down on the doors option, click on that. Right at the first option, you would see hands-free liftgate. Make sure there is a check mark right there. Notice check mark is missing in my case. So what I will do, I'll come down again, we'll press this down, and then you will see the check mark appearing right there. Just like that. That is how the hands-free liftgate option is activated in this car. Now we will go at the back of the car and we'll show you how it works. Here we are at the back of the car. Now, in order to open this tailgate hands-free, make sure you're putting your feet at the very middle of it. If you put your feet on the left or on the right, this tailgate will not open. It has to be in the middle, just like that. Now, to close the tailgate, you just have to press this button right there and it will automatically close. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.